Hey guys, Tony Ash coming to you from Daytona Cycle Audio. I am at Daytona Cycle Audio's shop. I'm inside, they're physically inside their shop right now. I just went for my third stereo upgrade. This time, I went for the back subs. So the sound is absolutely crazy. Remember, you gotta come see me at Tony'sHarleyBlog.com. I'm gonna post some pictures on the site with the specific amp and the speakers and all that. So this is what I did, or this is what these guys did for us today. We essentially took out the front amp. We put a 400 watt Rockford Fosgate totally digital amp in there. Got heat sinks, built-in fans. I'm going to reach around here and grab the locks for you. So the other piece of the equation is, here is a picture of the amp. Again, this will be on my website, so you'll be able to go there and get the model number and all that. But the killer part of this is, you know, just running the front speakers. You guys have looked at thousands of you guys have looked at my video. And I think I mentioned during my Oktoberfest that I was thinking about getting the back subs. Well, the back subs are 8-inch mid-range. They're Hertz high-end speakers. They're mounted inside the saddlebags. I was a little worried about losing some saddlebag space, but I'm going to turn this thing on in a minute and you're going to understand why it's not a big issue for me. So here's a picture of the actual box the speakers came in right here. Heavy-duty speakers, big magnets. I'll tell you what, so let's do this. Again, Daytona Cycle Audio. I am at Bruce Rossmeyer's Destination Daytona. It's like Chuck E. Cheese for Harley guys, right? So it's a week before March 2018 Bike Week. I decided, since I live in Florida, not far from here, I decided to come in and do the upgrade because once Bike Week starts, these guys are just balls to the wall. So I'm going to turn this thing on and let's see what we got here. Hang on, guys. Probably can only get so much on the video, but this will just blow your ears away. It's crazy loud, the sound is phenomenal, the quality of the sound is really what's ultimately impressive. So again, I don't usually advertise things, but hey guys, these guys have turned out to be good friends of mine. They've done 3 upgrades, they put my lights in, they've done some other lighting for me. You gotta come visit these guys. It's Daytona Audio Cycle in Daytona, Florida. They're in the Bruce Rossmeyer's Harley Destination Daytona. Come see these guys. Hey, visit me at Tony'sHarleyBlog.com. Take care.